See what we can see out some of the other windows. Of course, here's our tour guide. Hello.
Mom, Dad, hello. Let me show you my new curtains. See, I made them. This doesn't look much different, I know, from the other one, but remember the other ones were just coming down like that? This one here has a little scoop. And that one too.
Oh, they look beautiful.
Good.
Show us what's happening outside now.
Let's see. Oh no! Can you see?
Look at that.
Shall I lift it up?
No, that's we can see just fine. Look at the people trying to dig out from the snowstorm. And as you can see, it's still coming down.
Look at the people's cars.
Quite heavily.
Okay, let me see.
How about over that window?
Oh, it's more. Look, blowing more here.
Yeah, look at that. This is a blizzard. Needless to say, I'm not going to work today. Lorna's not going out in service. See, there you can see the snow really coming down. Look at it. Any thoughts, Lorna, on this storm? What do you think of it?
I think it's lovely. Let's go make some snowmen. Mum, Dad, I'm glad you're not here. Auntie Cherry and Uncle Alvin are here. I don't know what they're doing. I hope they're okay. But you take care, Mum and Dad. Hope you like our video. Bye.
How much snow is there, Lauren? No. Oh, don't. Now show them some of the drifts.
What drifts? Oh.
Well, how high the snow is. Okay. Reach out and touch the top of the snow. Okay. Reach back and touch it. Look how high it is behind you. If you can. Look at that. Alright, walk over by that tree. That's good. There you can see how high it really is. Just step back to it. Yeah, see? Just a few inches behind her. Look, touch the base of the tree. The snow goes all the way up to there and beyond. See, there's the top of it right there. It's hard to imagine. Look at this big hill right here. This is what our driveway looks like. It's carved out of a big snowbank. Oh, show them the rubbish bin. It is buried. We set it out for the rubbish men to take it away, and it never got anywhere. I think the other one's under the pile somewhere. They have plowed the streets and salted them, but as you can see, it's white everywhere.
Dive into it, snow, Jay.
You going to? Oh, and do you have a message? Oh, you did. Do you have a message for anyone?
Okay. This is what's keeping me nice and warm. My sheepskin coat. I didn't have my coat. I don't know what to do. Thank you, Beverly. Oh my goodness.
Hey, Mom and Dad, look at how high this one is. She's standing on the sidewalk, and there, look how high that drift is. Oh, she got some snow. It is really something else around here. Uh-oh. I don't like that look right there. Wow.
Okay, let's go on in.
All right, we've had our fun.
Okay. Oh, how cute! Footprints in the snow. Okay, I'm getting cold. Let's go.
Okay, see you.